Hi everyone, welcome back to the build. Alright, so this is what the garage looks like at the moment. What we need to do is cut wood to house all of the electrics. We need to build a bedroom for the cat, which is going to be under the bed where Tash is, so she's going to be coming in through there. Don't know how that's going to look like yet, but yeah, it's going to be where she sleeps. And then we're also going to we need to figure out how we're going to compartmentalize the back. So we're going to be doing a lot of outdoor activities. So, you know, we're going to slide our bodyboards in there, for example. We need a place for our wetsuits, etc., boots, so things like that.
So to make the most of the room under our bed and for more storage, we've got these baskets which we're going to put on a shelf. So the shelf will come to about here-ish and the baskets will sit on top. We can fit 4 on. So we're going to do that first, and then we can build around that to house the batteries and the electrics and that. Okay, so that's the legs cut out, which are going to support the shelf at the back. We've already got 2 at the front, so they'll just be in line with those. So now I'm just going to cut the shelf. So similar to how we built the shelf for our fridge, I'm just going to cut out notches from all 4 of the corners, which will then sit around the wooden battens, and then we'll just attach them using brackets. Lovely.
Right, the angles are getting a little bit tighter now. Oh, good job. Good job.
Okay, that's our shelf put in. Perfect fit for our basket. The handles are actually on the other side here. So, but we want them going this way to make the most of the space. So probably just put some rope on it or something so we can get them out easily. But yeah, looking good.
Yeah, we're gonna have 4 baskets. So you can see 2 at the front, and then we'll also have 2 of the same baskets behind them. So we've yet to order them.
With the space below, we're just gonna have to box off the electrics, and then the rest of the space under here is gonna be for Rosie. So our cat, so she's gonna have like a little hidey hole basically, so she'll have a little bed under there. We're not gonna, you know, lock her away under there or anything, so you may think it's like really small, but it is literally just like a bit of a hidey hole for her. Okay, so we've just cut this piece of ply to shape, which is gonna be the front of the bed to cover all this up. So it's just gonna sit about there, so it just looks a lot more tidy. We cut this out so that we've got room to pull out our table, and then we're gonna have a handle on here, which is then gonna pull out the bottom part of the bed, which then comes out here. Okay, we're just gonna leave that for now because it just needs painting, but we're not doing any painting today. So just going to move on to the cupboards. We're going to start adding these magnets, so basically when we're driving they don't open and everything fall out. So we've added magnets to all the cupboards, and now we just need to cut some wood. So we need some doors for down here, which we're going to do from 12mm. We're not going to finish sectioning off underneath here, so the electrics or Rosie's area for a minute, because we need some 9mm for that, so that has been ordered. And before we cut any shelves to go in this big space here, we need to get a refillable gas cylinder, because obviously we need to work around that.
Alright, looking good. And now we've already got a bit of ply cut out for the front of the kitchen, and we've decided that the doors are going to fit inside of the frame that we've already built, not on the outside. So we just need to cut that to size now.
Okay, so that's our cupboard doors cut out. We might do something similar that we've done with the upper cabinets where we've put the placemats in them, just to give them more ventilation and it'll be more lightweight. And also we just need to cut some cupboard doors for the bulkhead. Okay, so that's these cupboard doors cut out. This end one is shorter just because this was built in the way. So we've just got a fixed bit of wood on the end and that's got room to open. So on the next video we're going to get lots of painting done. So all the bits of wood that we've cut out, so all the doors to everything. And also we've decided to paint the ceiling white. So we're going to get on with doing that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see future ones. And we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.